Today on Devaki Technologies, let's travel back in time to discover the inspiring life of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a hero whose story every Indian should know. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd Jan 1897 in Cuttack in present-day Odisha. He was the ninth child of Janaki Nand Bose, a successful lawyer, and Padmavati Devi, a deeply spiritual mother. Young Subhash was brilliant and determined. He studied at Ravenshaw Collegiate School, then Presidency College in Calcutta. Even as a student, he could not bear injustice. He once got expelled for protesting against a British professor's racist remarks. Bose went to England in 1919 to prepare for the Indian Civil Service exam. He passed with distinction in 1920, but when he saw how British ruled India, he made a bold choice. He resigned from the prestigious ICS in 1921. He chose to serve India, not its oppressors. Back in India, Subhash joined the Indian National Congress, quickly rising as a fiery leader. He worked with leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru but often disagreed with Gandhiji's strict non-violence approach. He believed that India needed force to win freedom. During World War II, Bose took his fight global. He escaped British house arrest in 1941, traveling through Afghanistan to Germany seeking help against the British. Subhash Chandra Bose is said to have died on 18th August 1945 in a plane crash, but his death remains mystery, with many believing he survived. This mystery has kept his memory alive in every generation. His greatest contribution was awakening a spirit of uncompromising patriotism. He showed that India's freedom struggle was not just polite, but also sacrifice and courage. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose remains one of the India's most charismatic, controversial, and beloved freedom fighters. Let's remember his words: freedom is not given, it's taken. If you learned something new today, please like, share, and subscribe to Devaki Technologies. Let's spread this story to everyone who needs to hear it. Jai Hind.